In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly in Slack for real-time suggestions and AI writing. Let's get started by opening the Slack desktop application. Once Slack is open and you're in any message window, whether you're replying in a channel or sending a direct message, you're ready to use Grammarly. There's nothing extra you need to turn on in this flow. As you begin typing, Grammarly automatically works in the background to provide real-time writing suggestions, corrections, and AI assistance. You'll notice subtle underlines and prompts as you compose your message. These can flag quick fixes like spelling or punctuation, or more advanced improvements such as clarity, word choice, and tone. If you see a suggestion you like, click it to apply. If it doesn't fit your intent, you can safely ignore it. The goal here is to help you write clean, professional messages without slowing you down. A helpful tip is to pause after drafting a sentence or two. That brief pause gives Grammarly a moment to surface suggestions so you can tidy things up as you go, instead of editing everything at the end. Also, keep your voice in mind. Grammarly is there to support your style, not replace it. Accept the changes that enhance readability and correctness, and leave anything that changes your meaning. When you want more than quick edits, use Grammarly's generative AI features. Look for the Grammarly icon in the bottom right corner of your message window. Click that icon to open the AI panel. Here you can type a prompt to generate text, change the tone, or rewrite content you've already drafted. For example, you can ask it to draft a short update, rewrite your text to be more concise, or change the tone to friendly or formal. If the first output isn't quite right, refine your prompt by being specific about length, audience, and style. You can also ask it to simplify complex sentences or reorganize a message to make the key point appear first. As the AI suggests wording, read it carefully and make any final tweaks so it reflects your intent and context. Grammarly is great at structure and clarity, but you know your team's preferences and terminology best. Once you're happy with the text, you're ready to use it in your message window. That's it. Open Slack, type naturally, and apply real-time suggestions as needed. Then click the Grammarly icon to generate, rewrite, or adjust tone whenever you want a stronger draft. With these tools, you'll communicate more clearly and confidently right inside Slack.